como llegaste vas, bombón, bonita hora que te da por llorar, llórate esto, llora este dolor, dolores vienen y van, pero no era amor. Te vienes encima de mi vida, bombón, bonita manera de llegar, llegar a saber tu boca crecer, crecerán las mentiras que me das y algo que no me supiste dar, darme en la cabeza que ya está hincha, hincha del planeta, hincha del sol, suéltame las riendas, de aquí me largo yo y el teléfono no es ring ring y mi corazón no da tontón y mis pasos no tienen son son, ya no eres mi bombón bombón y el teléfono no es ring ring y mi corazón no da tontón y mis pasos no tienen son son, ya no eres mi bombón bombón. Y de Sacramento hasta Colombia, con ritmo mija. Y es la octava maravilla. Vienes encima de mi vida, bombón, bonita manera de llegar. Llegar a saber tu boca crecer, crecerán las mentiras que me das. Y algo que no me supiste dar, darme en la cabeza que ya está hincha, hincha del planeta, hincha del sol. Suéltame las riendas, de aquí me largo. Yo y el teléfono no es ring ring, y mi corazón no da tonto, y mis pasos no tienen son. Ya no eres mi bombón, bombón.
Even though she was girl team and I was boy team, Max, I knew you were coming through. Even though we don't see you a lot, well, I don't.
Do you know that word?
We love you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Best birthday ever. Yeah.
Many more to come. Many more to come. Parties, Max. Party it up. And we'll be here every party.
Hey, happy birthday, Max. Hopefully you look back at this video. I just want to let you know I love you. Second nephew means a lot. You know, I love my nephews, and it's emotional to me just to see, you know, it's your first birthday. I love you, Pops. Hopefully we bond together in the future. Love you.
Okay, Yvette, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. The beautiful experience that you have allowed me and my family to experience with you. I want to also thank you and your husband for letting us be welcome into your guys' world. Like, this is so like unreal for me. Like, I haven't had the honor to meet you 4 times, but I don't know, every time it just feels amazing. I want to thank you so much. I'm nervous, but I love you, and I'm sure you know that. I love you, and I'm always gonna support you and your family. Love you.
Happy birthday, Max. Thank you, Yvette and Max and Ulysses, for inviting me. You're so cute, and I can't wait to see you grow with your sister.
Happy birthday, baby Maxi. I love you so much. Thank you, Blanca, for making me part of your special day. Thank you so much. I appreciate it a lot. I love you guys so much.
Hi, Max. I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you for having me here. You're the cutest little baby out there. I wish you nothing but the best. Keep growing, keep being happy. Love you.
Happy birthday, Max. I've been following your mom since, I want to say 2013, 2014. And I think you have a great mother. And Blanca, I just want to say thank you for letting me and the girls experience this with you and your family and your friends. We're very thankful, and I'm very nervous, but very happy to be here. Everything looks beautiful, and yeah, thank you for letting us be here.
Happy birthday, Max! We love you!
So Max, is a beautiful turnout for you. This is a beautiful party. You know what, Max? You came into this world to a loving family, a very beautiful family. I saw you personally come out for the first second, so I'm honored to be there for you. I'm honored to be here at the party, and I'm honored to be here for you. I'm honored to be here in your life. So happy birthday, and for many to come, I wish the best for you and your family.
All I can say is that, you know, Blanca was planning. She wanted a baby. She wanted something. She wanted Max. She was planning for it. It was something planned. When Max came, 36 hours. We were waiting for so long. And when Max was born, I knew that Blanca would be a great mom, because in reality, she was always our mom. She's always taking direction. And I knew that Max will be in great hands. Just because the way Blanca is with us. She's always the one that leads. Blanca just knows where to go. In reality, if Blanca wasn't our leader, we wouldn't be nothing, pretty much. And I love Blanca. And I love Max. Max is such a great baby. He's always so good. And he had to be a good baby, because he came from Blanca. I love Blanca. And I love Ulysses.
I'm so happy my little Max is now 1 year old. He's grew up so much. When he was first born, I think the day
kids and our family, and the family just continues to grow. And we love everybody in this family.
Love you, Max. You have been such a blessing. And I don't know what my life would be without you. That's it.
We love you, Max.
We love you.
Les quiero pedir un fuerte aplauso, ahora sí que para la mamá, para el papá. Qué bonito cumpleaños. Por favor, un fuerte aplauso como agradecimiento a esta misma pareja y también para el cumpleaños de Max. Gracias por habernos invitado, estamos muy contentos. En nombre de todas las personas aquí presentes les queremos dar las gracias a la mamá y al papá. ¿Sale? Gracias, Max.